settle this beef. Don't mess with my crew.
¿Quieres ver también cómo eras cuando eras niño o cuando seas mayor? Te recomendaré un
much a pound. Coming to you live from the hood. Let's talk hip-hop, my bros. I'll take your calls. You on?
Hello? Am I on?
Yeah, you on the air.
I can't hear anyone. Hello?
Yo, hang on. That's the slate.
Hello?
That's it. Hello, caller. What you shouting out to us from?
Shit, I want to call this guy out for being so closer, and the asshole pushed me on hold.
You on the air, bro.
Because he was the prison guard at the place where my cousin did his job. And now he acts like he's some kind of ex-con right off the street.
Hey, that's not... we'll be right back after this. Barry, I think I broke the phone again.
Nothing gives you the hunger like a day of shooting and skinning animals for sport.
Here, brought some beef jerky. Have a log.
Beef? Did you say beef? What do I look like, a Girl Scout? I'm a man, son, and real men. You lose. Eat rhino! Eat the meat that makes the man. Rhino jerky. Made from 100% rhino meat. Now with hickory flavor. Don't be a pussy, be a rhino!
Supplies limited as rhinos are an endangered species. Rhino jerky consumed at a rapid rate may lead to chronic constipation, toxic shock syndrome, loss of eyebrows, fussy discharge, color blindness, leprosy, and sudden violent rage.
Rhino jerky!
This is Heavy Ben on the hood. Next up is Combust by Dope P.O.D.
Grenade trap, pull the pin out and throw. Keep your heads down, everybody stay low. Follow my advice if you wanna stay breathing. Gotta keep it cool if the rockets heat seeking. You made it blow when it wasn't dynamite. Drop a nade bomb just to light up the night. Gotta watch your step, land miles on the right. One wrong move, it's the end of your life. Explosive on the mic, C4, more than hardcore. You're gonna get more than that for. Don't ring bells, we just blow through doors. Enter with a bang and just take what's yours. Get hit by shrapnel from multiple playboards. Thought it was a game, what the fuck you play for? Blow to see the bits, won't leave a trace. Even GPS can't pinpoint my place.
Hey, yo, niggas talk much, but let's spit more. Gotta tell them so what you need a clip for. So I jumped in the scene with a big horde to take down all you sick horse with pitchforks. So it's sure the pain you
Dude, how'd you get your home screen to look like that? Oh, you've never heard of the app Pack? You can customize your phone's background and even change the look of your app icons. It's so easy to use and you can download all the backgrounds and its customizations are all in one place. So if you want to bring some personality to your phone, tap the screen right
combustible. You can't see us, just untouchable. But we bust.
Did you know carrying the battle ram is one of the greatest honors a barbarian can have? Well, after the honor
Like a septic tank? Whatever! I am a tank! Step into my ring, bruh!
Don't get aggro. Get rubbed up ducky. The only rubber ducky on the market, look.
Must have hurt.
Jim, get off this line. That's because I'm over it, man.